Hello, welcome to my channel. I am a Google Ad specialist and a digital marketer. I help dentists, auto repair shops, and HVAC to grow their business by bringing more calls and clients through data-driven smart Google Ad campaigns, leading to better ROI and business growth. In today's competitive market, having a great dental clinic, car garage, or HVAC store is not enough because people search online first for their services. They Google to find good doctors, clinics, or stores. So, if your store or clinic is not showing up, your competitor is. With Google Ads, local store clinics can appear in Google exactly when people searches for their service. Every search is a chance to get a new client. But here is the issue. Many store runs ad but get few or no calls. Wrong strategy, poor targeting, irrelevant keywords, and ineffective or zero tracking leads to wasted ad spend and disappointment. I create data-driven, precisely targeted Google Ads campaign that bring calls, leads, and bookings. You will see what's working and why. There is no guesswork. I offer complete campaign setup, optimization, landing page tweaks, and ongoing support to grow your business. I would also love to maintain and optimize your ad account free for the first month. If you are a store owner or dentist or doctor in US, UK, and Australia, and you want more clients without stress, reach out to me. I would love to show you what's possible. Thanks for watching. Let's grow your business together. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.